गोयच्या पर्यटनातले वेगवेगळ्या पैलूंचो आस्पाव करून पर्यटनाचे खाशेलेपण आनीक वाडोवपाक गोंय सरकार काम करता। हातूंत धर्मीक, भलायकी, इको टुरिझम तशेंच पारंपरीक पर्यटन आनी हिंटरलँड टुरिझमाक सरकार वाव दितलो, अशें विधान पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे हांणी व्यक्त केलां। गोयच्या सैमीक पर्यटना सयत सांस्कृतीक आनी इतिहासीक पर्यटनाक चालना दिवपा खातीर पर्यटन खात्यान वेगवेगळी पावलां उबारल्यात, अशी माहिती रोहन खंवटेन दिली। तो गोंयांत पर्यटन विशयाचेर आधारीत G20च्या बसकेत उलयतालो।
It is my firm belief that the power of tourism holds immense potential in shaping our global future. The tourism industry, as a catalyst for economic growth, cultural exchange, and sustainable development, has the ability to transcend borders, forge friendships, and create opportunities like no other. Goa, nestled with the pristine shores of the Arabian Sea, has long been a destination that captures the imagination of travelers from around the world. Its vibrant blend of rich heritage, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscapes offers an experience that is both mesmerizing and enchanting. From its picturesque beaches and lush tropical forests to its vibrant festivals and warm hospitality, Goa embodies the very essence of a traveler who is seeking an immersive and experiential paradise destination. Our state has taken significant strides in recent years to embrace sustainable tourism practices, recognizing the need to preserve and protect our natural and cultural treasures for future generations. We have implemented innovative initiatives to promote responsible tourism, emphasizing community engagement, environmental conservation, and inclusive growth. By fostering a harmonious balance between tourism and our delicate ecosystem, we aim to create a model and sustainable mode of tourism that can be replicated worldwide. Goa also plans to expand its tourism offerings by promoting lesser explored areas like spirituality, health, wellness, ecotourism, and traditional aspects. The state aims to implement long-term branding and awareness campaigns that highlight local events and hinterland tourism, showcasing its abundant natural beauty and cultural heritage. Goa beyond the beaches.